In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily move that Instagram story camera toolbar from one side to another. Basically, guys, that's a very simple process, and there are two different methods how we can do so. The first method is when you turn on Instagram story camera, then just stop right here at that kind of gear to head over to camera settings, and that's where we can easily find camera tools here. By selecting left side or right side, we can move that toolbar to the left or to the right. And also there is one more way how we can move this bar to another side. And to use this method, all we have to do is just tap at that teeny arrow to expand it. And once this bar is expanded at the top, we can easily find these two arrows. And that's how, by tapping at that button, we can move that toolbar to another side. Basically, guys, if you do not see any of these two options here, it means that you need to update your Instagram application. To do that, just head over to the App Store or to the Play Store if you are on an Android. Then go to search for Instagram, and then make sure that this button says open. If it says update, all you have to do is just tap at this button to get the latest Instagram app version. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.